So our next right is, children, right to freedom of religion. You are reading about preamble since class 6. Preamble to the Constitution. And preamble to the Constitution, you remember the meaning of the word preamble? Preamble means introduction to the Constitution. Preamble tells you about the Constitution, but it is not the Constitution. This we need to remember. And there were 5 objectives of Constitution written over there, in which you read a word secular. And I believe everybody can recall the meaning, that Indian state gives equal respect to all religions. Equal respect to all religions means, like, I treat my religion as very good. So if my religion is good, then the other person's religion doesn't become bad. Both means we can survive in this manner, that both of us can say that our religions are good. So religion is a matter of personal choice. I repeat, secular means our Indian state, Indian constitution gives equal respect to all citizens. Where it comes to the following of religion, we are free to follow our religion in a way we want. Even people of same religion, like the other family cannot tell me how I should follow my religion, even if we belong to the same religion. It's a matter of personal choice. So this article runs from this fundamental rights runs from article 25 to 28. We are on page 131. Please look into your book so that we can do it. It says, all persons are in very simple words, children, is written. It's very easy to follow. But the crux is, which I told you, 2 lines, that we give Indians or Indian constitution, India, anything you can use over here, we give equal respect to all children, all religion. Why? Because religion is the matter of personal choice. We are free to follow our religion in the way we want. This is how we sum up. If somebody asks you, what do you mean by right to freedom of religion? This is the answer, and it runs into article 25 to 28. Now let's see. First point, very simple. All persons are entitled to freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate. Profess, talk about their religion. Practice, you know how to go about it. And propagate, they can make it popularized. Propagation is making it popular. Propagate, propaganda you might have read. So propaganda comes out of propagate only, making it popular. Then, subject to public order, morality and health, every religious denomination or any section thereby shall have the right. This is the language of Constitution, which says, children, though words might sound heavy to you, but keeping in mind everybody around us. What does it say? A. To establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes. They have freedom to do. To manage its own affairs in matters of religion. Nobody can tell me how I am following my religion. To own and acquire movable and immovable property, and to administer such property in accordance with law. I cannot do anything illegal. Everything in accordance with law. Next, third, no person shall be compelled to pay taxes for the promotion of a particular religion. I believe all of you will be able to recall jizya, which you read in class 7th. During the time period of Mughals and other rulers also, this jizya was implemented. If you have forgotten, you will go and search for it. This is the research. Next, we are on page 132. No religious instruction shall be provided in any institution wholly maintained out of state funds. Government will not finance any such activity. This is very clear. Fifth, even though religious instruction may be imparted in educational institutions recognized by receiving funds from the state, no person attending such institution shall be compelled to receive that religious instruction without the consent of himself or of his guardian in case of the people be a minor. Might be sounding difficult for you. Let me give you an example. I went to a convent, and I am not a Christian. So we were We could go to chapel in my convent, but nobody forced me to go to chapel. This is it. Like, I have studied in the Christian school, but I was not forced to go to church, which was there inside the school. So nobody can force anybody. And why? In case the pupil be a minor. I was not an adult then. So read these points and you will be able to understand them very easily.